Welcome back to the Career Blueprint. Today, we're diving into something that might seem small, but actually makes a huge impact: your LinkedIn profile photo. Let's talk about your LinkedIn profile picture. It's the first thing people see when they land on your page, and it sets the tone for your entire professional presence online. You know the one. Maybe it's a cropped wedding photo, a blurry concert selfie, or that vacation shot where you're wearing sunglasses. We've all been there, using whatever photo we had handy just to fill the space. We've all had questionable choices up there. Maybe you even cringe a little when you see it pop up in search results, or when someone sends you a connection request. But here's the thing. Recruiters, potential bosses, and future colleagues see that photo first. Before they read a single word of your experience, they're already forming an impression. It's your digital first impression, and it speaks volumes about who you are, how you present yourself, and how seriously you take your career. You want it to say, "I'm professional, I'm approachable, and I'm ready for business." A great photo can make you seem more trustworthy and confident, even before you say a word. People absolutely judge a book by its cover, especially online. In a world where attention spans are short, your photo can be the difference between a profile view and a missed opportunity. Your LinkedIn profile is your 24/7 interview, even when you're not looking. It's working for you around the clock, making connections and opening doors. That old photo with a different haircut, or the one where you're barely visible? It's time for an upgrade. Your current self deserves to be front and center. A small change here makes a huge difference. Updating your photo can boost your confidence and help you stand out in a crowded field. So, let's fix it. And while we're at it, let's give the rest of your profile a little love too. A fresh photo is just the beginning of your LinkedIn glow-up. No more boring corporate buzzwords or outdated snapshots. We're going for a profile that truly represents you, your skills, your personality, and your ambition. We'll turn that awkward photo into a confident, hire me masterpiece. Whether you take a new photo yourself or get a professional headshot, you'll be amazed at the difference. It's easier than you think, and maybe even fun. So let's get started and make your LinkedIn profile shine. Really quickly before we get started, I'd like to say thanks for being here and remind you that we release new content frequently on this channel. So if you enjoy our videos, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. It's free for you, and it helps us get more folks to see our videos. So why bother with LinkedIn if you're not job hunting? It's a fair question and one a lot of people ask. But here's the thing. LinkedIn isn't just for people actively searching for a new job. It's so much more than that. Think of it as your professional home online, your digital handshake and business card, all rolled into one. It's the first impression you make, even before you meet someone in person. When someone Googles you, whether it's a potential client, collaborator, or employer, your LinkedIn profile is usually the very first thing that pops up. That's your digital front door. This is your chance to control your story, to show the world who you are, what you've accomplished, and what you care about. It's your narrative, in your own words. If your profile is outdated or empty, you're missing out on opportunities you might not even know exist. People could be searching for someone with your skills right now. Recruiters and decision makers are busy. They want a quick, clear snapshot of your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. They don't have time to dig for details. A strong, well-crafted profile makes their job easier and puts you right on their radar. It can be the difference between being overlooked and being contacted for your dream opportunity. But LinkedIn isn't just about jobs. It's about building your network, staying connected with industry peers, and keeping your finger on the pulse of what's happening in your field. Opportunities, big and small, often come from the connections you make. LinkedIn is where those connections start, grow, and turn into real possibilities. Even if you're not looking for a new role right now, having a polished, up-to-date profile means you're always ready for whatever comes your way, whether it's a new project, a speaking invitation, or a partnership. Think of it like keeping your car gassed up. You might not need to drive anywhere today, but when the opportunity comes, you're ready to hit the road. Your LinkedIn isn't just a static resume, it's a living, breathing community. It's a place to share ideas, celebrate wins, and learn from others in your industry. Don't let your profile gather dust. Stay active, stay visible, and keep engaging. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. LinkedIn is a big deal for your career and your professional reputation, so treat it like one. Invest the time, and you'll see the benefits. Let's upgrade that profile picture. Ditch the cropped party shot. Use a clear, friendly, professional photo. No need for a pro photographer. Your phone and good lighting work wonders. Stand near a window, use a simple background, and smile genuinely. Look at the camera. No dramatic poses. Head and shoulders only. Your face should be front and center. Dress like you would for work, or one step up. Avoid busy patterns, big logos, and sunglasses. Keep it current. Update every couple of years, or after a big change. Authenticity matters. Be recognizable. Your photo sets the tone for your whole profile. It's an easy win. Make it count. You've got this. Next up, your headline, the line under your name. Don't settle for just your job title and company. Your headline is your 120-character elevator pitch. Make it catchy and show your value. Instead of marketing manager, try helping small businesses grow through creative storytelling. List key skills or your main expertise. Use keywords recruiters search for. Avoid actively seeking new opportunities. Focus on what you offer. Frame it positively. Project manager passionate about building efficient teams. Brainstorm what makes you unique and the problems you solve. Mix your title with your mission or skills. Show a bit of personality. Your headline is prime real estate. Don't waste it. Make people want to learn more. Make it pop. Now, the About section, your personal commercial break. This is your chance to shine in your own voice. Start with a strong, engaging hook about what excites you in your career. Skip the dry third-person bio. Be conversational. Share a quick story about your professional journey. Highlight your biggest accomplishments and results, not just duties. Use numbers to show impact. Percentages, dollars, time saved. Brag a little. You've earned it. Wrap up with a call to action. Invite people to connect or check out your work. Be friendly and clear about how to engage with you. Your About section is your story. Make it memorable. Keep it concise and authentic. Let your personality shine. Time for the Experience section, your career story. Don't just copy-paste job descriptions. Focus on what you actually accomplished. Use bullet points for easy reading. Start each with a strong action verb and include results. Example, managed and grew social media, boosting engagement by 50%. Highlight key achievements for each role. Show your growth and new skills over time. Even unrelated jobs have transferable skills. Connect the dots. Customer service, that's communication and problem solving. Restaurant work, teamwork and handling pressure. Add media, links, photos, presentations to showcase your work. Visual proof makes your profile dynamic. Make your Experience section your highlight reel. Let's polish the details. Fill your skills and endorsements section with relevant skills. Aim for 15 to 20. Include technical, soft, and industry-specific skills. Pin your top 3 skills for visibility. Ask colleagues to endorse you. It adds credibility. Next, customize your LinkedIn URL to something clean and professional. It looks great on resumes and business cards. Don't forget your banner image, the big picture at the top. Use it to show your personality or brand, city skyline, event photo, or a simple graphic. Most people leave it blank. Don't miss this free branding space. These small tweaks make your profile look complete. Stand out with a polished, professional look. Details matter. Your profile looks great. Now, use it. Having a polished LinkedIn profile is just the first step. The real magic happens when you start using LinkedIn as a tool for ongoing connection and growth. Think of your profile as your digital handshake. Now it's time to reach out and make those connections count. Don't just set it and forget it. LinkedIn isn't a static online resume. It's a living, breathing network that thrives on your participation. If you only update your profile once and never return, you're missing out on countless opportunities to grow your network and reputation. LinkedIn rewards activity. The more you engage, the more visible you become. Every like, comment, and share increases your chances of being noticed by recruiters, potential collaborators, and industry leaders. Consistent activity keeps your profile at the top of people's minds. Start by connecting with people you know, colleagues, classmates, event contacts. Don't be shy about reaching out to people you've met at conferences, workshops, or even online webinars. Building a strong foundation of real connections is key to expanding your reach. Always add a personal note to connection requests. A short, thoughtful message can make all the difference, helping you stand out and reminding the recipient how you met or why you want to connect. Personalization shows you care and increases your chances of a positive response. Engage with your feed, like, comment, and congratulate others. Celebrate your connection's achievements, share your thoughts on their posts, and join conversations. This not only strengthens relationships, but also helps you stay informed about what's happening in your industry. Stay on people's radar by being active. Regular engagement keeps you visible and top of mind, so when opportunities arise, your name is the one people remember. When you're ready, share your own content. Don't be afraid to post about your projects, achievements, or even lessons learned. Sharing your journey helps others relate to you and builds your professional brand. Post articles, thoughts, or updates about your work or industry. Curate content that's relevant to your field, or offer your own insights on trends and news. This positions you as someone who's engaged and knowledgeable. Provide value. Share things your network will find helpful. Whether it's a useful resource, a career tip, or a motivational story, giving value encourages others to engage with you and builds trust. The more you engage, the more LinkedIn's algorithm boosts your profile. Increased activity means more profile views, more connection requests, and more chances to be discovered by the right people. It's a snowball effect. Activity leads to more opportunities. The more you put in, the more you get out, and soon your network and influence will start to grow exponentially. Treat LinkedIn as a professional community, not just a resume. Mingle, share, and connect. Make your presence count, and you'll unlock the full potential of LinkedIn for your career. That's your LinkedIn Glow Up Guide. Don't feel overwhelmed, just start with one thing today. Update your photo, headline, or about section. Build your profile step by step. Your LinkedIn is your silent wingman, working for you 24/7. It opens doors and connects you to new opportunities. The professional world is all about connections. LinkedIn is the biggest networking event out there. Don't let a blurry photo or boring headline hold you back. You have skills and a story worth sharing. Take an hour this week and give your profile some love. Share your new headline or one change you're making in the comments. Let's help each other shine. Thanks for watching. This is the Career Blueprint signing off. Until next time. Now go get 'em. You got this.